Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So today is going to be a different video. Usually I do my makeup and my hair tutorials on here, but today Santa came early for me. My birthday is in 2 months, but already I started receiving gifts. So I'm going to be showing you guys, unboxing the things that I got this morning with you guys. So it was delivered to me this morning. I was like, okay, let me just do a video of it because I just can't wait to tear them open. I'm going to start with this box of chocolate. It's the Ferrero Cha. I know I butchered the name, but I don't know. I think it's a Turkish brand, something like that. Here's another one. I hope I don't go out of shape because I struggle to be in the shape that I am now. So I hope I'm able to maintain it with this chocolate that I have. And then the next item is this one. It says Saray Gold and Diamonds. Wow, unbelievable. See this, guys. It has my name on it. It has my name. I can't believe it. Wow. And it's gold. Wow, it has my name on it. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Wow, I can't believe that. I've never had anything like that with my name on it. A chain with my name on it. Wow. Wow, here is another box. I think this is a perfume. Wow, I almost dropped it. It says Burberry. Wow, it smells like flower. It smells so fresh. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. It says Burberry. Okay, moving on to the next gift. Wow, I got an earbud. See? Wow, guys. Wow, I never thought I was going to own an earbud. I knew I was going to own one, but in future, but I wasn't thinking it would be soon. Wow, I love this, guys. Here. Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow, this year's birthday is going to be bomb. It's going to be lit. I'm already having gifts. Wow, this Santa, you came so early. What's the next box? So let's check what's in this box. It's still the same Saray Gold and Diamond. Let's see what we have here. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now? No, you're not. Period. I'm gonna be popping. Period. Wow, I'm so in love with this. Wow. Then moving on to the book. It said he removed them from the box because the boxes were taking too much space, so he had to remove them. So this is from a designer, a brand called Vaco. I think it's a Turkish brand. Turkish designer. I don't know. Correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. You guys see this? So beautiful, honestly. Like, I just can't get over this. And I love chains, like chain bags, chain hands, chain bangles, and in the color gold, my favorite color. It suits my tone. It suits my one tone very much. Yeah, it's so nice, honestly, guys. I love this. This is the name of the brand. Vaco. Vaco. The name of the designer. Yeah. Then what is the next one? This big box. It says happy birthday. Whoa, we've got another bag in here. I've got a big and a small one. Wow. It smells like a brand new. Of course, it's a brand new bag, so it should smell that way. So it says Baku. That's the name of the designer. I'm so in love with these guys. They're so. It's so beautiful. You can see that. I have a small one and then a big one. Like, you can alternate. There are days you want to take a small bag, you just want to be small, and there are days you just want to go all out. Be like, okay, I want to carry this and I want to carry that. There are days you want to go out with a big bag, and there are days you just want to be very simple with a small bag. Like, there's nothing here that I don't like. I can't say I love this more than, because I wasn't expecting any of this. So I'm just like, wow, really wow. Like, I can't believe this. Like, things I don't have, like things I was thinking I'm planning on buying in future, not even in the nearest future. Like, I have them now. So ugly. Let me open it for you guys to take out. Do you want some? You can have some. So that's all. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.